My name is Casey and today I will be reviewing and unboxing the Jordan 1 Pine Green that were bought off of StockX and released this year, February 29, 2020.
This Jordan 1 High is of black tumbled leather uppered with green leather overlays, a gem red embroidered tongue tag, sail midsole, and a pine green outsole completes this design. These sneakers released in February 2020 and retailed for $170. As time went on and it gained popularity, resellers have sold them to around $250 to $300, even more depending on sizing. Some collaborations with bigger brands like Dior/Off-White has raised the market value to over $1,000, and celebrities like Playboy Cardi, Kanye West, Kylie Jenner, and Lil Uzi Vert have been seen wearing it, which makes its audience much larger and more profitable. I believe that these sneakers are worth its price from having worn them. They're comfortable and are true to size. They come with 2 different lace colors, so that is a nice added detail that's up to you. These came with red. Compared to my other types of Jordans, they're by far the most practical and comfortable. Depending on what colorway you pick, they're very easy to match with any outfit, similar to Air Force Ones by Nike. When I got these is when they were at their peak in quarantine. Everyone wanted to go out in new sneakers and such. Although ones have been around for such a long time, it was more recognized now. They're definitely flexible when it comes to activities, especially if you wear them often. Lots of people use them in skateboarding. However, a downside is that it is rare to find in-store, mostly online websites such as StockX, Grilled, and Go. As for the packaging, I believe it's very simple, and I'm pretty sure the ones have their own packaging and it's sleek. If you're a collector or not, you could keep it, but if not, that's alright too. To the sides, you'll see sizing and its barcode, etc. Overall, these sneakers are of value and I would buy again in a different colorway if I could.